The Home Ideas channel gives you tips and tricks for decorating your home, both interior and exterior.
The entrance or lobby holds great significance in your home as it serves as the initial impression for your guests and creates a welcoming ambiance for both them and yourself. However, the key lies in striking a balance between aesthetics and functionality, ensuring that it remains practical for everyday use while also evoking a sense of warmth and hospitality. By paying attention to every detail, you can easily achieve the desired outcome. Here are a few ideas to help you create a remarkable entrance for your home. Utilize staircases and inclined elements to construct a customized wardrobe that conceals coats, shoes, and accessories, ensuring everything remains out of sight. By incorporating a mirror into this area, it becomes incredibly successful. Not only does it provide a convenient spot for a final glance at one's chosen appearance for the day, but it also enhances the sense of depth, making it ideal for compact spaces. The halls, characterized by their predominantly horizontal walls, provide the perfect canvas to experiment with color. We suggest opting for serene shades that can easily complement any decor. Whether it's blues, dark greens, or even hints of ochre, these hues will warmly welcome you into your home. Typically, hallways are compact areas, demanding careful selection of elements to prevent them from appearing cluttered. A bench, a rug, and a coat rack suffice to fulfill the requirements of this living space. Since the purpose of a hall is often uncertain, many people opt to turn it into a storage corner. If you have clarity about its intended use, consider acquiring custom-made furniture that can serve a dual function, providing seating space while also offering storage capabilities. It is advisable to avoid the use of excessively heavy or bulky furniture in areas with limited dimensions. Instead, it is recommended to choose lighter alternatives, like the ones shown in the image. Simple hangers and a suspended seat not only fit seamlessly into the space, but also fulfill practical requirements.